In today's crowded world of feature-heavy video editors, finding a tool that prioritizes simplicity can feel like a breath of fresh air. If you're a content creator looking for a budget-friendly and beginner-focused video editing software that doesn't overwhelm you with professional-level complexity, MiniTool MovieMaker might just catch your attention. But is it actually worth your time? Let's break it down. MiniTool MovieMaker is crafted for users who want to edit videos without diving into layers of confusing menus. The software welcomes you with a bright red New Project button and pre-built templates, perfect for assembling quick travel vlogs, family videos, or simple YouTube clips. The interface is clean and minimal, offering tools for basic trimming, adding transitions, overlaying text, and applying fun effects. This simplicity makes it particularly appealing for beginners and casual users who just want to tell a story without learning the complexities of timeline syncing, keyframes, or motion tracking. Here's something many might not realize: MiniTool MovieMaker isn't completely free. While you can access all the editing tools and export your videos without a watermark for your first 3 exports, you'll need a paid plan to export longer videos beyond 2 minutes. The good news? The pricing is quite competitive. A full-year subscription costs just $35.99, which undercuts competitors like Cyberlink's PowerDirector at $74.99 per year or Adobe Premiere Elements at $99.99 for a one-time license. MiniTool MovieMaker is Windows exclusive. No macOS support here. It runs on Windows 7, 8.1, 10, and 11. But make sure your system has at least 16 gigabytes of RAM and a capable graphics processor if you want smooth performance. Rendering speeds are decent, not lightning fast, but stable enough for casual editing. Think of it more like a reliable workhorse than a high-speed editing beast. Once inside the editor, you'll notice both its strengths and its limitations. Pros: easy-to-use trimming tools, automatic clip snapping to prevent awkward gaps, dozens of transitions including stylish ones like butterfly wave and scrawler, fun effects, sparkles, fire, retro VCR, etc. Speed control, speed up, slow down, or reverse clips with a single click, beautiful animated title templates, quick drag and drop interface for captions and credits. So while it delivers on the promise of user-friendliness, professional creators may miss key features for advanced storytelling and cinematic flair. Audio tools are kept simple. You can fade music in and out and adjust the volume. However, the built-in audio library includes solid background tracks and YouTube-ready sound effects like subscribe button clicks and swooshes. When it's time to export your video, MiniTool supports 8 formats including MP4, WebM, and MKV. Bitrate settings give some control over output quality, although export times remain average. MiniTool MovieMaker delivers exactly what it promises: an easy entry-level video editor for beginners. It's ideal for casual creators who want to stitch together fun clips without learning complex tools or breaking the bank. However, if your creative ambitions include advanced editing features like green screen effects, motion tracking, or layered visual effects, you might outgrow MiniTool quickly. In that case, investing in a more powerful editor like PowerDirector or Premiere Elements would be a wise move. If you're just starting your creator journey and want an editing tool that feels inviting instead of intimidating, MiniTool MovieMaker is a strong starting point. It's user-friendly, affordable, and gets the job done for simple projects. Have you tried MiniTool or something similar? Let me know your favorite editing software in the comments below. And if this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tech reviews on the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.